Prepare to record 1. The podcasting station has powerful features and essential tools to create incredible podcasts. It is available to all UTM students who are in the process of creating an academic podcasting assignment. After your instructor has confirmed participation, you will be able to book a time to use the Otter Circle recording studio. A podcasting station module and checklist will be made available to you via Quarkus. Before your booked session, please review the Quarkus podcasting station materials carefully to better understand the tools and features. You will also need to complete a podcasting station checklist form before your booked session. During the day of your reservation, please bring a USB drive to back up your work. You can use either a USB Type A or C drive. You may also wish to use your University of Toronto OneDrive account to create a backup. To have a better result, it is crucial to prepare your script and plan out your time beforehand. Practice and rehearse in advance and speak clearly. Prepare to record 2.
The Outer Circle Recording Studio podcasting station makes professional podcasting easy. It includes an all-in-one computer and a mix board. You can type in your Utoread credentials. It takes about 30 seconds for the system to start up for new users. Press the right power button on the back of the mix board. Open Audacity. There should be a shortcut on the desktop. If not, then type Audacity in the search bar. To access microphones, select the one that is closest to you. Each microphone is labeled with a number. You can use the headphones that correspond to your choice of microphone so that you can hear your voice and determine if any adjustments are needed. Select the microphone channel button on the mix board for the microphone you are using. To have the best result, adjust the volume by moving the fader for the microphone you are using to the midpoint.
Record and save.
Before recording, review your voice and device settings. To record with Audacity, ensure that source is set to MME. To start recording, select the red record button on Audacity. Speak a few sentences to ensure both microphone and headphone work properly. To adjust sound output, adjust the headphone output control that corresponds to the number for the microphone you're using, as well as the main output. To include sound effects in your recordings, place the sound pads fader at the midpoint and choose the sound effect that will work best with your audio file. To stop a recording, select the stop button on Audacity. Set source to Windows Wasabi on Audacity to replay your recording. Replay the audio to make sure it has recorded your audio with optimal volume and tone. If you are satisfied with your work, then go to File and choose Save Project As, and name your work using a descriptive file name. Choose the Documents folder and create a new folder and give it a name. This is the location where you will save your project files and MP3 files. It is recommended that you export your file as an MP3 as well. To export your recording, choose File, then Export. Ensure you select the file format as MP3. You can also add information to your MP3 file. Repeat the saving process to name the MP3 file and place it in the correct location and select Save. Please note that you should have a project folder and a separate exported MP3 file.
Backup and shut down.
Backing up is the key to ensuring you complete your work successfully. Once you have saved your Audacity project file and have exported the MP3 file, you can back up your files to a USB drive, your OneDrive, or another location. After saving and exporting, make sure to log out of your account on the computer. Slide faders to the off position. Turn down the volume on the mix board for the headphones and the main output. Shut off the mix board by pressing the power button. Select Yes on the mix board touchscreen to turn it off completely. Place headphones on the corresponding microphone stands. Before you leave, confirm you have all of your personal belongings and make sure everything is ready for the next user. This concludes our podcasting station video. Thank you for watching.